Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mariola. Today I'm going to show you guys where we stayed in Tokyo. It's the Cerulean Tower Tokyu Hotel, and I must say this has been the best hotel out of the whole Japan trip in my opinion. We arrived really late at 11 p.m. We checked in. Honestly, it was exceptional guest service all around. This is a little bit about the lobby, and you can pause here to see everything that they have. They have a cigar bar that my husband went to. They have so much. They also have a gym, which is important because there's a couple of hotels here that do not have a gym or they open very late. This one opened at 7 a.m. I forgot to record in there because I go with a one-track mind to work out, but it was pretty nice gym. This is our room. We stayed in a Deluxe King executive floor. As you can see, a very spacious entrance. You also have lots of controls with the lighting. You're gonna see over here to the right hand side by the entrance as well as by the bed, which I will show you in a moment. Immediately to the left, we have this room where we put our luggage. There's a couple of things in here as well. You get a flashlight in case there is an emergency such as an earthquake. You get a steamer, a bathrobe, which I'm a sucker for. You also get a basket in case you do some laundry, extra pillows, some slippers, and all these cool shoe kit things. Alright, back to the rest of the room. You will see this armoire over here, and that's my husband over there, which has so many cups in case you want to make your own tea. You have this really cool teapot that is electric. You also get some complimentary tea that you can have with a couple of other things, and you get complimentary water, which was great because that is not a very common thing in the US anymore. And underneath here, you also have a mini fridge. We also have the TV, which I used for 2 minutes one night because I could not figure out the guide because it was in Japanese, but also because we have not had time. And then this amazing bathroom, which you get dual showers. You have the shower to the left hand side. And then this amazing bathtub to the right, which is the most amazing view ever. And you get so many toiletries in this bathroom. First, I love that I have a vanity and I was able to sit down when I did my makeup. Also, I forgot to take off my mask because I was so excited to walk around this room, and now I regret it so much looking at these clips. You also have this Toto toilet, which has the bidet already installed, and these are all the buttons. It is freaking amazing, and it's always warm whenever you're gonna sit down, and you get so many toiletries. I will highlight them one by one in this video so you can take a look, but I must highlight the fact that every night they would replenish the bath salts, so it was amazing just to always come back and relax after a super long day, as well as a ladies kit that they again replenished every day, and it had the best skincare products I have ever tried in my life. If you can't tell, I was clearly obsessed with this bathroom, but time to move on to the rest of the room. It's very self-explanatory, so I'll just let you explore. I will also show you how the blinds work because there's a button near where the bedside table is, as well as this air purifier. Now let's move on to my parents' Japanese suite. It is insane. As soon as you walk in, there's like this entrance that I know it has a Japanese name, but I'm not gonna butcher it. This is where you can find your sandals and your slippers. You leave the shoes out here, and then you walk into such an amazing Japanese vibe. I was honestly in shock, and I still get shocked every time I see this. I love that there is a tatami flooring, which is when I stepped on it, I was so shocked because it's really soft, but you also have the traditional, or not traditional beds, but like the usual beds over to the right hand side. Also these traditional windows with a similar view from what we had, but just at a lower floor. Sorry for the horrible reflection. And the amenities as well as the toiletries are basically the same. Obviously the layout is different, and you will see the bathroom very soon. It is also very different. This hotel is a 10 out of 10 for me because the location, you're right next to Shibuya, so you can just walk out. It's literally like a 2-minute walk. We took a detour, so it took a little bit longer. You also have a lot of family marts and 7-Elevens nearby in case you want to get something to eat, but they also have some great breakfast. You can do either traditional Japanese or an international one that has a good mixture. So it was really awesome that you get these options. Also the service, like I said, was amazing. I don't know, everything. Toiletries, the accommodations, the gym was awesome as well. Honestly, 10 out of 10. I can't say it enough. This is a bit of the lobby as well as the outside during the morning. And like I said, super close, great location to Shibuya. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a lot of room tours coming up soon. The next video will be next week with all of our adventures in Tokyo, Japan. So hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye!